I am addicted to the gym now because I feel like there are so many things in life that I can't control, capitalism, cost of living, there's war, there's so many social issues, there's so many things changing with AI, social media, addiction, and all of these things. I just feel like every day I think about going to the gym because it's like tangible progress. I can see results, I can feel results, and it's something that I can work towards by my own effort. And in life, I feel like there's so many other things that I've been giving my effort to without seeing results. Like the return on investment has been really low, especially with friendships, relationships, so many things that I can't control the outcome. And I'm just been getting addicted.